Hi guys, welcome to Preeti's Maths channel. Today in this video, I will show you a Kalkidoku or a Ken puzzle how to solve. This is also called a Kendoku puzzle, which are the names of a style of arithmetic and logic puzzle invented by Japanese. Mainly, these are intended to be an instruction-free method of training to the brain. The meaning of Ken is cleverness. Okay, what are the general rules to follow to solve this puzzle? The goal of each puzzle is to fill a grid with the digits 1 to 4 for a 4x4 grid or 1 to 5 for a 5x5 grid. Now I am showing you a 4x4 puzzle which you could understand the rules and regulations of a Ken puzzle how to solve. Let's come here. Here you can observe different numbers with the basic operation generated of plus. That means this plus is valid for only these two boxes. This 5 plus is valid only for these two boxes. These boxes are called cages. Every cage is a combination of numbers which are given for the operation. Okay. Observe this number. This is only 3 and not given any operation besides of this number. That means this 3 is only valid for this particular box. So we can directly write this number 3 as it is. One more number if you see, this is also one box with 3. There is no operation. So here also we can write directly 3. Here 5 plus with 2 boxes. That means you need to get 5 by taking 2 numbers add. What are the combinations to get 5? 1 plus 4, 2 plus 3. Is there any other combinations? Because you need to write only 1 to 4 numbers in the row or in a column. 1 plus 4, okay. 2 plus 3, okay. Okay, let's wait for some time. Here it is 3. That means what are the other remaining 3 digits? 1, 4, 2. But where you could write those numbers, we don't know. Okay, fine. Come to here. 6 plus. 6 plus. What are the combinations to get 6 by adding 2 numbers? 4 plus 2 is one way. 5 plus 1 is another way. But 5 plus 1 we can't write because 5 is the number. But here only 4 blocks. Only you need to write 1 to 4 digits. So this combination will not come. 4 plus 2. So here 4, here 2 or here 2 or here 4. Any way you can write. So if I write 4 and 2 here, 3 already there. What is the other remaining digit? Yes, 1. So 1 can be written only in this particular box. If you write 1 here, what is the other combination? 4. Yes, 4 and 3. What are the remaining 2 digits? 1 and 2. Okay. If I write 1 here, what could be written here? 3 plus 1. The combination of 4 is 2 plus 2. But this will not come because no number should be repeated in any column or a row more than once. So this will not come. What is the other combination? 1 plus 3. Okay. Where we can write 1 and where we can write 2, 3 we don't know. 1 and 2. So compulsory here it is 1 and here it is 2. If you write 1 here, it is 3 only. 3, 1. What are the other 2 digits? 4 and 2. Either you can write 2 here, either you can write 2 here. 4. See, this is 3 plus. That means 3 should come by adding 2 digits. What are the combinations? 3. 1 plus 2. Yes, no other combination. Only 1 plus 2. Okay. 2 if I write here, 2 will not come here. 4 I write here, 4 can be written here. No, 4 is no choice. So compulsory it must be 2. If I write 2 here, it should be only 4 and the remaining digit 2. One row completed, one column completed, another row has completed. Yes, come here. 3, 2. What are the other two numbers? 4 and 1. Okay. 2 already there. This particular cage, if you observe, 3 plus, so by adding 2 digits, we need to get 3. 2 already there, so it must be only 1. So 1, 2, 3. The other digit is 4. This is one more cage to get 7 by adding 2 digits. Already 4 we wrote. What are the other combination? Yes, 3. So 4, 3, 2 came. What will be your remaining digit? Yes, 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to get 6 by adding 2 digits. 4 plus 2, 4 already there. So it will be 2. Yeah, we have completed our puzzle. If you see anywhere, in any column or in any row, you can see the digits only from 1 to 4 and no number has repeated more than once. That means we have completed successfully our puzzle. Guys, I hope you understand this puzzle how to solve. In my next video, I will upload some more difficult puzzle of this can only with 5x5 or 6x6. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.
If you understand this puzzle, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.